Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the next part of the first chapter. We are studying about the sentence, and next we are going to study is about the kinds of sentences. The sentences can be divided into different categories, or there are different kinds of sentences. Okay, so we studied what is a sentence, what are the different parts of the sentence, and we studied also subject and predicate of the sentence, and we studied about the objective of the sentence. All these type of things we have already studied. Now we are going to study about the different kinds of sentences. So the first category is called as a assertive sentence or a declarative sentence. So it is just declare or state something, like I am a teacher. Okay, he is a employee, or this is a table, or this is a mobile phone. Okay, so these type of sentences are there. It is just declaring that this is something. So such kind of sentences are called as assertive sentences or declarative sentences, and these sentences end with full stop. So here we can say that at the end of the sentence we use full stop. So there is and we know when we studied about sentence itself, we studied that a sentence is starting with a capital letter, and it will start with capital letter and end with a full stop. So such kind of sentences, almost all the sentences are like that. So most of the sentences that we are using is this kind of sentences are there, assertive sentences. Okay. The next kind of sentences that we have to study is about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask questions. So these questions are there. So there are a type of questions that we are asking. So we are asking something to another person. So such kind of questions are there. Such kind of sentences are there. They are known as interrogative sentences. And these type of sentences end with a question mark. Okay, so always this type of questions will be ending with a question mark. So there are two types of interrogative sentences are there. One is called as a yes or no question. So the yes or no question means that the answer of these questions will be starting with yes or no. So if see for example, if I say that are you a boy? So what you have to say is that if you are a boy, you have to say that yes, I am a boy. Or if you are a girl, then you have to say that no, I am not a boy. So this is the only answer that we can give. So yes or no will be the answer. Are you a student? Then you can say that if you are a student, you will say that yes, I am a student. If you are not, then you will say that I am not. So yes or no will be the answer of these questions. So such kind of questions are called as the yes or no questions. Then there are another type of questions are there, that is called as the WH questions. WH questions means that, like what is your name? So it is starting with a WH word. So always like what, okay, or when, or where. Okay. All these type of words are there. So there are so many WH words are there starting with WH. Okay. So these questions are there. So you know, like if we are asking starting with this what, so this will be always a question. What is your name? Where are you coming from? Or what are you doing? Where are you going? All these type of questions are there. So they are starting from a WH word. So if a question is starting from a WH word, it is called as a WH question. Okay. So there are two types of interrogative sentences are there. First one is yes or no question. Second one is a WH question. So whatever may be the question, it will be asking a question. Okay. So that is about the interrogative sentence. The next category of question, the next category of sentence is called as imperative sentences. Imperative sentences means that it just includes like a command or a request. So there may not be a proper proper way of structure and all is not there. Like keep quiet, or come fast, open the door. Okay, please give me a pen. All these type of things are there. So the first one, there are two types of imperative sentences are there. That is one is like commands are there. So we are giving some orders or commands, all these type of things. And second one is a request. We are asking some permission. May I come in? Or may I have your pen? Okay. Please give me your pen. So such kind of requests are there. So these two types of questions, these two type of sentences are called as imperative sentences. Okay. Then the last category of sentences is called as exclamatory sentences. And this one, imperative sentences are also there. So these sentences will be ending with a full stop only. We are not using any particular type of any, this one is not there, they are also just ending with a full stop. Okay. Then the last type of sentence, that is called as the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence, you know, see, like when you hear the word itself, you can understand that it is exclamation. Exclamation means that it is a sudden expression. Whatever may be the expression that you are coming in your mind, like hooray or alas or this, like when you are feeling so much happy or so much sad or so much angry. So such type of things, when you are making some kind of sentences, such kind of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. And these exclamatory sentences end with the exclamation mark, one line and one dot will be there. So this mark is called as an exclamation mark. Okay, so these sentences ending with an exclamation mark. So looking at the type of punctuations used, we can easily understand what sort of a sentence it is. Like if normal sentence means it is ending with full stop. If it is an imperative sentence, it will end with a question mark. Then if it is an interrogative sentence, it will end with a question mark. If it is imperative sentence, it will also end with a full stop. And the exclamatory sentence means it will end with an exclamation mark. So only the confusion is with the imperative and the assertive sentence. And assertive sentences are just like a normal sentences. And this one is orders and requests are there. So then just by looking into that, you can understand that whether it is what sort of a sentence it is. Okay. So now let us see some examples. So we have already there are few examples given there. So see in the box itself, you can see it is divided into three boxes, and the function, the different types of sentences and its functions and examples are given. The first assertive or declarative sentences are there. The sun rises in the east. My father is an artist. It rained in the evening. So these type of sentences are there. It is just showing, it is just declaring a kind of thing. So it is stating a thing. It is called as statements also. Okay. The next one, interrogative sentences are there. They are asking questions like who are you, where do you live, are you hungry. So the first two are WH questions, and the last one is yes or no questions. Are you hungry? If somebody is asking, you will say either yes, I am hungry, or no, I am not hungry. Just you had food and come, and after that somebody is asking you, are you hungry? Then you will say that no, I am not hungry. Okay. So these are the two types of sentences. Then the next type is called imperative sentences. So there are so many imperative sentences are there, giving orders and commands, or making requests, or give advice. So these four types of sentences are coming in the category of imperative sentences. Be quiet, shut the door, come here, give me your book, please, may I come in, could you help me, please, don't eat roadside food, brush your teeth before you sleep, don't talk with your mouth full. All these type of sentences are there. They are coming in the category of imperative sentences. Then the last category is exclamatory sentences. Like there are like help, how wonderful, look, a rainbow. So these sentences you can just see, and you can observe that these sentences are ending with an exclamation mark. Okay. So we can easily understand that if a sentence is ending with an exclamation mark, it is simply understand that it is an exclamatory sentence. Okay. So there are some exercises. So the answers of this exercise also I am just giving you in this class itself. You can just go through it. And in this exercise 1 and 2, you can write in your copy itself. Okay. In your notebook you have to write it. Classify the following sentences and say what kind of sentence they are. So the first one, what a lovely rainbow. It is an exclamatory sentence. You can just write E in that, and in your book you have to write fully exclamatory. May I come in, please? So it is a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Do not spit on the road. It is a assertive sentence. First category. Give me your eraser. It is a kind of imperative sentence. The sun sets in the west. So already this is an example of assertive sentence. There it is there. Why is he shouting? It is a interrogative sentence. It is a question. Police. It is imperative. It is a exclamatory sentence. Exclamation mark is given in that, so you can easily understand. Shut the window. It is a imperative sentence. take this medicine twice a day. It is a advice. Okay, so it is just like a statement like so it is kind of an advice given there. So you can use it as an imperative sentence. It is an imperative sentence. I like reading. So this is a statement, assertive sentence. Okay. So that is there. So you may note down this and write them in your notebook. Then second exercise, write 2 assertive or declarative sentences each beginning with the following words. I will make a beautiful picture. Okay, so anything you can write, you can after that whatever you want to make. I will make a coffee for you. Okay, so whatever maybe you can write. My mother is a teacher, or my mother is cooking very nice food. Okay, so whatever may be the interested topic, you can fill up with the good sentences. Write 2 interrogative sentences each beginning with who are you? Okay, just you can ask who are you? What is your name? WH word is there. What is your name? Or what are you searching for? Or anything like that. So like that questions you can make. Write 2 imperative sentences each beginning with open the door. Okay, it is an order. Open the door. Okay. So the next one is a leave. Leave me alone, please. You can ask a question like leave me alone, please. Write 2 exclamatory sentences each beginning with how beautiful flower, or how beautiful flower it is. Okay, you can say that, or how wonderful, or how beautiful. You can say how beautiful or how wonderful. You can speak like that. Oh, it is lost. You can say oh it is lost. Then there are some oral exercises are there. Make the following sentences. You can make some interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and imperative sentences. Take a partner, say a sentence. Your partner must identify the type of sentence you have said. Repeat the exercise. So this can be done only when you are having the class, because at your home. Or you can do this one with your brothers, sisters, and so on. So you just say a sentence and tell your brother to identify what sort of a sentence it is. Either it is, or just tell your father or mother or somebody to speak some sentences, and you can identify what sort of a sentence it is. Okay, so such a way you can do this exercise. Okay, that's all about this chapter. So we have completed the first chapter. Okay, thank you so much.